During cleaning validation execution, the objective is to demonstrate that a defined cleaning process is capable of meeting acceptance criteria under specified conditions. These activities are planned, executed, reviewed, and formally concluded as part of the validation lifecycle. By the time a cleaning validation report is approved, the following activities have occurred. First, the validation protocol has been executed as planned. Second, cleaning verification data has been generated and evaluated. Third, the defined acceptance criteria have been met. And finally, the report confirms that the cleaning process is capable under the defined conditions that were assessed. Once validation execution and reporting are finished, the cleaning process transitions into routine manufacturing use. The same equipment, procedures, and parameters are now applied as part of everyday operations. At this stage, the objective is no longer to demonstrate capability through validation studies. The objective becomes ensuring that the conditions under which capability was demonstrated continue to apply over time. Maintaining the validated state is therefore an ongoing accountability, not a completed task. It requires ongoing awareness of how the cleaning process is actually being used in practice, and whether changes in operations, people, or conditions could affect the assumptions made during validation.